Rewrite equations and evaluate expressions. Under this series, we have some word problems, and here is a very interesting one. It says sum of two integers is 32 and difference of their squares is 192. Find sum of their squares. Now, let us assume that the two integers are x and y, right? So we are considering x and y as two integers. Is given sum of two integers is 32. So one of the equation is that x plus y is equal to 32. And the difference of their squares, that means x square minus y square, that is difference of their squares, is 192. That is what is given to us. And we need to find sum of their squares. That means we need to find what is x square plus y square equals to. That is what we need to find. So that is how we understand our problem. Now let's try to solve this. Now if you remember, this difference of squares could be written as product of sum and difference, right? So we are given x square minus y square equals to 192. Now what is x square minus y square? X square minus y square is indeed x plus y times x minus y, and that is given to us as 192. We also know x plus y is 32. So we can write this as 32 times x minus y equals to 192. And from here, x minus y is 192 over 32. So let's use calculator to calculate what is 192 divided by 32 equals to. It is 6. So we get x minus y as 6. We know what is x plus y, and we know what is x minus y. They can help us to find x and y values, right? X plus y is given to us as 32, and we just found that x minus y is 6. Now, if we add these two, right? So what we're trying to do now is we're just trying to add them up. If we add these two, we get 2 times x is equals to 38, and x is 38 divided by 2, that is 19. Now if x is 19, what is y equals to? We can say, well, y is equals to 32 minus x, which is 32 minus 19 equals to, so we can do 32 minus 19, and it is equals to 13. So we get the value of y. Now since we know what x and y are, so we can say what is x square plus y square. So x square plus y square should be equals to 19 square plus 13 square, right? And that is equals to, let's use calculator once again, 19 square plus 13 square is equal to 530. So that is how we can get our answer, right? So there are a lot of steps involved in solving such questions. Let's go through them once again. Question is, sum of two integers is 32. Write your equation. Let the integers be x and y. So that is our first statement, which is let x and y be integers, right? So they belongs to integers. We can also write z or I. Difference of their squares is 192. So we got the first equation, x plus y equals to 32, and difference of squares is 192. Find sum of their squares. So that's what we need to find. Now we know x plus y times x minus y is x square minus y square, and that helped us to solve this question. This is kind of critical here, right? So from here we know what is x plus y. We got what x minus y is, which was 6, and then we solved the given equation, which is x plus y equals to 32, with what we found, x minus y is 6, right? So let us say this was already given to us, right? When you add these two, you get 2x, y minus y is 0, 38, from where we got x. And using one of these equations, you could find y, right? You would also find y as x minus 6, which will give us 13. Once you have the values of x and y, you can always find sum of their squares, and that is our answer. So it's a very good example. Just go through it, try to understand the steps, and we'll do few more examples similar to this. Thank you and all the best.